Hello again, friends. So I'm here to make another video. This is on my coffee maker now. This is called a 4-in-1, but I don't know, I love it because it does everything I want. You can grind coffee. You can do what's it called, the froth. So I already put my coffee in here and my cream in there, and this is what the reservoir looks like. And this, you can put the coffee, you can put the shelf up 2 more times up here, okay? But it goes on the bottom right here. Okay, wait, there we go. It's 3 times it goes up, excuse me. But I'm just gonna bring it down here, okay? So that's where it goes. And it has ground capsules, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 ounces. I'm gonna do just 6 ounces. I'm gonna try to grind the coffee. I tried to make this video earlier today and I couldn't do it because I only have one hand and it's not easy to grind with just one hand. So if I put my phone down as I'm making this, that's why, okay? Because I'm trying to grind the coffee with one hand. So here we go. All right. And I'm going to put my phone down so I can get a scooper and put the coffee in there. Okay, so hold on. All right, put the coffee in here. Okay. And this is the one reason I got this, because it has the frother. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I think I'm just going to put my phone down again and start the frother. Hold on a second. Okay, I put the coffee in here, okay, in the top. All right. Okay. Then I'm going to press ground. And I'm going to do 6 ounces. Or, I don't know, I'm just going to show you. Okay. I'm going to do 6 ounces, okay? So it's going to start. And then I'm going to, I did cappuccino. You can do a cappuccino, latte, unheated, and hot coffee. And this is what it looks like as it's frothing. And I love it. And I love it more because it's thin. It's lean. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And you can put it under a cabinet. So before I bought this, I measured to make sure it would fit, and it does. So it's great. And if you love coffee, you can use it for coffee, you can use it for tea. This grinder also, you can grind spices in it too. That's what it says when you buy it. And on the instructions manual that comes with it, you can grind spices. So it's really, pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. And I haven't used it to grind spices yet, but I mean, how awesome is that, huh? So that's what 6 ounces of coffee looks like as I'm waiting for my frother to, it stops on its own, okay? And the coffee maker goes off on its own too, so you don't have to touch anything. Okay. So that's what my coffee looks like. It smells delicious. Smell-o-vision. All right, it's done. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then I just pour it in. Oh, look how pretty that is. And then I'm going to put on some spices. Hold on. I'm going to put on some. There we go. All right. This is my pumpkin spice latte. slices, okay? And then I get a little bit of caramel and I put it on top. Oh, look how pretty that looks, okay? That's beautiful. And it tastes beautiful, tastes delicious too. So, there you go, friends. If you want a new coffee maker, this is a good price too. That's why I got it. And if this brand is not there, but there's another one like it that does the exact same thing, go with that one too. Because they're both the same company, I think. They just have different names. But there you go. It's awesome. It's well worth it. I think I've had it over 4 months now. So have a wonderful and blessed day, friends. Remember, today is your day for salvation in Jesus Christ. Because we're not promised tomorrow. And Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Cheers. Bye-bye.